Happy Manic Monday. Isn't it interesting that that's always the first thing that comes to our mind is, shucks, it's Monday. Well, guess what? Today is the first day of the week, and this week can be anything you want it to be, and the choice is up to you. Anyways, on today's show, we're going to talk about Otherside, APECOIN, XRP versus the SEC. There's been a pretty big update, Bitcoin, El Salvador, and maybe a thing or two more. Welcome back to the O Show, babes. Everything crypto and NFTs every day. Make sure to like, subscribe, set alerts, follow me on Twitter and TikTok for more breaking news. This first story, we're going to talk about XRP lawsuit, SEC versus Ripple. And again, the reason why this story is so important, whether you love XRP or whether you hate it, is that XRP is going to set the precedent. Once the SEC decides what they're going to do with Ripple/XRP, that's when we're going to start to get some more clarity when it comes to other altcoins. So again, pay attention to this story. But let's go ahead and skim through the details. So basically, the SEC files to protect crucial documents related to the Ripple case. And this is because they are playing hardball and they know that they're in the wrong, which is why they're doing this. The SEC just applied to have documents shielded that shows its former finance director acknowledged that Bitcoin and Ethereum are not securities. I've been saying this for a very long time on the show. Bitcoin and Ethereum, the only two cryptocurrencies that are not classified as securities per the SEC, even though Ethereum is a little bit debatable. And again, from the article, the SEC is trying to prove that cryptocurrencies are indeed securities through this lawsuit. The Ripple Labs founder wants the SEC to pay the hefty legal bills for proceedings that the SEC initiated. This is not the kind of statement you would hear from a defendant who would be willing to pay out of the plaintiff in a settlement. Ripple is winning a decisive victory, and the case will keep the SEC away from the entire industry, and it could enact a bullish trend for the crypto economy. And that's what I said. So basically what they're doing, they know that they're in the wrong. They don't know how to fix it, so they're just basically wasting money. And this is one of the reasons why I said I'm happy that the SEC decided to go after Ripple. I'm not necessarily happy that the SEC is going after anybody, but at least Ripple/XRP has the funds to fight against the bad guys. Now, let's kind of take a look at Ripple price. We saw a lot of these setups yesterday, guys, on the live stream, and I talked about being able to get in, making some easy long scalps. However, Bitcoin is kind of stagnant right now. We'll cover that next. But if we take a look at the chart, the good thing is we're holding on to the support, but we're also hitting resistance at the EMA 9. And you're going to see this with other altcoins as well. So just make sure to be cautious, have stops, set limit orders, do whatever it is you need to do. But for XRP, it's crucial for us to stay above 56 to 56 cents. If not, we'll probably kiss 50 cents. And if we break below that, it'll get ugly. However, on the reverse, I think if we do get bullish, we break above this EMA 9, we can probably target 68 cents, 70 cents, 72 cents, 76, and hopefully 81. Now, let's talk about Bitcoin and what's happening. But first, this story regarding El Salvador, because again, Bitcoin has utility when it comes to initiating P2P payments, and El Salvador is bullish on it. So El Salvador Bitcoin wallet shows a strong sign of adoption, says executive. Now, let's go ahead and read some key pieces over here. So, BitSo, global cryptocurrency exchange founded in Mexico, Chief Corporate and Regulatory Affairs Officer said, through our work with the Shiva wallet, we've been able to see how a significant part of the population has turned to using the application for safe and easy transactions. We believe that this is a relatively strong sign of adoption. As education regarding cryptocurrency and everyday use cases increases in the region, more users will remain on the application with a deeper understanding of the technology and the opportunities it creates. The main barrier to cryptocurrency adoption, both in Latin America and globally, is education. This is 100% right, and I absolutely agree with everything they said. Realistically, to kind of understand crypto, it's good to give people crypto. Like when I was over at the boxing gym, I would give some of the kids Bitcoin, and the reason why I would do so is because it would force them to go read Satoshi's white paper, to kind of force them to kind of see how it works. And it's just kind of cool to be able to gift it, and that's exactly what El Salvador did, so I'm 100% here for it. But even though we have this really great bullish news regarding El Salvador and Bitcoin, etc., we're still in a little bit of a hump here. we had a lot of issues breaking above 39,175 yesterday. And I talked about, we really need to see 39.5 flipped, then 40,000 flipped, and then from there 42.6. So right now it looks like we're still in a mini downtrend. If you want, I can go ahead and just draw a little bit of a trend line here to show you. So right now, realistically, the first place that we need to break above is going to be 39,371. Taking a look at market cipher on the 4-hour, we're kind of just not doing anything. Market cipher did print a green dot on the daily, and RSI and MFI are heading upwards, but it's going to take a little bit of momentum to actually break above, as you can see this current candle. If we're not able to get back above this 39.4 area, we're going to head back down to 37. You better hope we don't break. Now, let's talk about YUGALABS. YUGALABS sees 561 million in Otherside Ethereum NFT sales within 24 hours. Wow. So basically, it was a mass hype. There was gas wars, all kinds of different crazy things happen. Me personally, I own a mutant ape, and I forgot to KYC for the land. So I was kind of screwed out of luck. But one of the things I did notice, I tried to snipe some up on the secondary market, but things were happening yesterday. I wasn't able to do so. But some of the issues that that happened on Sunday night, there was 197,000 plus pending transactions on the Ethereum blockchain because so many people were rushing to mint. There was some minting, I think, that went up to $12,000 per transaction fee because the network was so clogged up. And it's just a very, I like YUGALABS, I love Bored Ape Yacht Club, I love Mutant Ape Yacht Club, I like the whole Metaverse thing, but it's actually getting out of hand. Ethereum cannot handle all these transactions, so it's becoming a little bit of problematic. Over here as well, Otherside Meta tweeted this, which is going to be the official site for anything Bored Ape Metaverse, the Otherside. The other deed NFT mint is sold out. We're awestruck at the demand shown tonight. Apes and mutants. The opening of the 21-day claim period is being delayed until the price of gas drops to reasonable levels. We'll tweet when the claim opens. So it was crazy, literally absolutely crazy. And of course, as anticipated, APECOIN dropped. The price dumped. And the reason why it dumped is because a lot of people that got the airdrop were probably taking profits. They were also using it to buy some of their land. Maybe the people that got the APECOIN for selling the deeds and the land on the secondary market went around and dumped it. And there's also a lot of issues with the drop. So anytime you see stuff like that happen, you can expect price to drop. Me personally, generally, I would have sold in this area here, probably around $21 to $19. I didn't. I actually held. I'm okay with APECOIN going to $10, and I'm okay with it going below because I actually really do believe what the project's doing, and I kind of would just rather hold it this time. Maybe I'll move it over on Gemini, earn some passive income. But either way, taking a look at APECOIN, the hype has kind of died down for a bit. And that's okay. RSI is kind of bottomed out on the 12-hour. MACD is still correcting. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart here. 4-hour chart is almost done bottoming out. I hope that we find support here at about $14. However, if we break below, I'd probably look closer to this area, about $12.31. Now, we all talk about Ethereum being broken. Well, Solana actually did officially go offline for 7 hours as bots swarm Candy Machine NFT minting tool. So Solana is heavily centralized. It's a great alternative to Ethereum. I know people like to build on it, but at the same time, Ethereum will get clogged up and transaction costs will increase like crazy, but Solana actually goes down, which kind of sucks because if you want to pay for something with Solana or do anything on Solana and it's down, you really can't do anything. So I like Solana. I hold Ethereum. I like it, but at the same time, I still do have to call these problems out. Either way, taking a look at Solana, I was feeling that we'd get that move up to $98. However, we didn't because the market turned a bit. And that's why I say always create bullish and bearish plans. So right now it's looking like we're probably going to continue to consolidate between $77 and approximately $98. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. I will catch you later. Bye-bye.